community. Now it is my pleasure to introduce the president of Allina Hospitals and our board chair, Dave Albrecht. Dave, as the leader of this organization, please share your insights on the work we do at United Way of Steele County.
Thank you very much, Annette. It's a pleasure to be here today, and been on the United Way board for 10 years now. And, you know, I can think of times throughout our history where, there was times when we really needed to come together and live united. This is one of those times. Not that the needs are any different for us this year than other years, but just the division that we find. It is a time to come together and live united. It is a surreal time. I think the one thing that I've always kind of liked this quote, something like, the only constant in life is change itself. And certainly some of the things that have happened over the last number of months have actually forced us forward, hopefully for the better, in terms of change. And there's one word that always kind of struck me in terms of what United Way is about. And at first I thought, well, maybe that's not a good word, and it was fight. Okay, so fight. Yeah, we fight for things that people need. And you know, you think of a fight and it's kind of a negative connotation. But this is a positive fight. It's a fight that we battle every day in trying to better our community and provide resources to help those, I call them disadvantaged, and that can be multiple people across multiple walks of life, to achieve their full potential and success. Now, that's easier said than done, but we've got to give them the chance, which is what the fight is about. It does come with needed resources, scarce resources, which is money, which is why we conduct this annual campaign, but it's about betterment of the community. So our strategic plan that we embarked on probably 7 or 8 years ago, 3 major planks, focusing on income, education, and health. And we continue with those today. United Way Worldwide also has those same themes, but we break our work into those 3 things, and they're all 3 connected. You know, people's health, people's income, people's education, they all relate. And if we can break cycles of poverty, or we can break cycles of need, even for a small segment of a population, we've left the world in a better place. And a lot of the programs and services we offer are trying to help people navigate their way, such as transitional housing, free clinic, food shelf. We don't want people dependent on resources repeatedly, but it was our whole work is trying to help people to better themselves and become self-sustaining. I think that came at a time when we were raising money and realized, you know, the needs just keep getting greater and the funding isn't there to serve all those needs. So we have to make our best effort to reduce the need. And that's what really spurred our strategic plan. If there was ever a time when Live United is important, today is that day. This will be a much different campaign than we normally conduct just because of circumstances. However, we would like our community's support and engagement in making this yet another successful year for the betterment of everyone who lives in Steele County. So thank you.